To remove the convertible top pump or the convertible top motor on a Chrysler Crossfire, what you need to do is access your trunk and then remove the panel that you have right here. Once you do that, you will need to remove the convertible top module. It's just held here with one screw. And then once you do that, the next thing you need to do is disconnect the hydraulic lines right there. You can see the bolt right here, and then there's another one on the other side. There's actually two on the other side that need to be removed. Once you do that, you pull all the hydraulic lines out all at once. They don't come out individually. And then once you do that, you have a few bolts on this bracket that holds the motor in place. Those are 10mm nuts you need to remove. And then once you do that, you can pull out the whole motor and the pump and the reservoir that you see there, and you can replace it.